welcome to the vlog. We're in IKEA. I'll bring you guys along. So, oh, okay. What are we gonna do?
There's some sort of rock in my shoe and it keeps making noise. So I put my hands out of myself.
Oh, oh, okay. Nodding my head like yeah, moving my head like yeah.
Hey, I'm actually serious.
Don't think cracking.
Yeah. And my mum will only go if your mum goes. So then they convince each other, okay? Oh, it's a speaker. That is sick.
I don't care. When I'm with my baby, yeah. Look at that.
Oh my god, it's red lighting. You know what that means, ladies? Come on, threesome.
Oh. Guys,
Don't even mess with me and my girl.
don't even. Don't joke. Don't joke.
That's a nice candle. You just touched my bum.
Oh, the hair flick. It's over your face. Ow.
Baddie alert. Baddie alert.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys.
So put my hands,
Playing my song.
my hands up.
Yeah.
We need to get
Okay.
more tea lights. Yeah, tea lights. The people
Guys, this was disgusting with myself.
Something. Was that a grown man just telling us
That was a boy.
a grown man?
Go.
Stop. Actually, put my mouth on that.
Excuse me, boys.
I didn't play. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Boys, excuse me, stop. The ones in the escalator.
That's nice. You want that for your room?
Gosh, your mum. You could put like your perfumes on it. I could put it on my dressing. I could put it on my drawers. You could put your perfumes on it. Yeah, I'll put it on my drawers. Don't care.
Great.
That's the type of person. That's the type of person I am. In my room and all. Don't do that. Oh, I'm not asked to answer this. Don't. Oh my god, that's
Come on, Tilly. Oh yeah. Go on, strike your stuff.
strike the pose. I found a candle.
Mum, say hello to the vlog. Say hello to the vlog.
No.
Oh.
These boys heard us singing and then they went, go. Pretend to be a worker.
No, they were like, be quiet.
Escalator. I went, the boys on the escalator. Taking fun selling stuff our room. Let's pick up this candle and give it a whiff.
Guys, I'm just recording you guys at this point.
Mummy, can we get some tea lights? We've run out.
Shall I be your cameraman? What's it?
You can be.
Mummy,
For a little bit.
Right, wait.
come here. Tea lights, we've run out.
I'm coming, honey.
Over here.
We've got these little candles. Very good.
That should be a thumbnail.
Then we've got this one. Smells like shit.
That's what I thought you were going to say.
Oh, that's
It actually
nice.
does
Do you
smell
wanna
like
smell that
shit right now. No, we're like out in the wild.
It's chilly, that's why.
Let me just try
This one for all
Smells like shit.
Wet.
Hey, I did that.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Should we be like the Gallagher sisters where I have to walk backwards? Right, so I'm moving. Okay, come.
Wait,
Keep walking.
I'm gonna strap.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go. Wet. I hope so.
Why don't you ask your mum?
Ooh. I like them big. These, I bet these smell like shit.
Let me smell. It smells like plastic. But they plastic.
Keep going. Keep going. This is, I can't actually fathom the fact that people actually walk like this.
Where's the tea light?
I'm in the 212.
Some over there. Guys, maybe we should just get some fake stuff.
Hey, Kate, look at matches.
What is it for?
Candle.
No.
Where are the tea
Makeup brushes.
Yeah, I can smell it, honey.
Tilly, that's disgusting.
All of Isla's 1 million followers are going to see this. I'm in the 212. What about you?
I'm definitely doing that.
I'm in the 212 backwards.
Right, let's smell this one.
I'm in the 212 backwards.
Smells of nothing.
Smells like shit. I want this. Wait, what's it smell like?
Guys, are we going to go down the escalator?
Wait, I actually want to smell this. I want this. Where is it?
Do you want me to take the camera? Let me take the camera so you can smell.
What?
Come on.
What?
Mummy, should we get 2 packs?
Did you just get them on your teeth?
Wait,
Mom?
Right, guys, so we're going down the escalator. This is literally social anxiety. There's so many people. We're on the treadmill. Go on, Tilly. Show us your treadmill. Oh yeah, go on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, Tilly. Okay. Oh.
we make the chair.
We love that. We're not filtered today, guys. Isn't they done that? They done that. Guys, can you see them? Oh, I see them. They're right there. The Shrek. Almost go backwards.
Help us with the plant.
Okay.
That's sweet.
Honey, that's nice. Make it from plants. What colour are you looking for? Laura will show you what she's after.
Guys, I feel like this will look really cute. Mum, I feel like this is really cute. You know? I get ignored. We love that. Hashtag get. Kaitlyn, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Tilly. I'm gonna get you.
Be yourself.
Boop, 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 boop. Right, guys. I think we're gonna finish. And we'll be back. When we'll be back when. Girl. Be quiet. Be quiet.
I'm going to kill you.
We're not ending the video yet.
A few moments later.
Right, guys, we are on the spinny chairs, being baddies.
Yes!
You've angered Kaitlyn now, Tilly. Yeah. This is my microphone. Oh yeah. So we love that. We're waiting for the mothers to hurry up. But yeah. Guys, we've moved from IKEA to Primark. Yeah, Tilly, are you excited to go into Primark?
I'm looking for a sheet.
Are you excited to go into Primark? No. Oh. You were literally asking to come into Primark. Oh, I feel like camera's a bit shit.
Top things that I'm hoping.
Yeah, I think so.
Why are we looking up here? Really nice.
Guys, how are we liking Primark?
I'm really loving it. Look at this top.
Wait, Tilly, is that? Oh no.
I'm really seeing the vision. Imagine that. Wait, I feel like that would fit me though, because like
I wouldn't fit anything.
my tits are quite big. Do you think that would fit? I really want it.
Yeah.
That's so cute. I really want it. Right, so we're going to try to see if we can find them.
I want to find those fucking tank tops.
Do you reckon that's all they have?
Oh, a little bit.
Mum, do you think that would fit me in a medium? Like, just think.
Oh, are they here? These are vest tops. We just found the vest tops, that's all. Baddie o'clock. Ah, red.
I know, me too.
What?
Yes, wait, I think she's wearing it.
I said.
What?
Mummy, can you ask
Right guys, we're home now. We dropped Kaitlyn off, so she's at her house. Me and Tilly are home.
Hi everyone!
So yeah, we hope you enjoyed our hectic vlog that we really last minute decided to film. And yeah, love you all. Bye!